Jeff Sica with us today. Jeff, I really want to talk about Apple. Their big announcement last week that got a $110 billion stock buyback. That stock bounced a little. Where do you think Apple's going?
Well, I think, Stuart, if you looked at the earnings last week, the earnings were not that impressive. I mean, the numbers are big, but they weren't impressive. What impressed investors was the size of this buyback, $110 billion, the biggest share buyback in history. And what does that mean to investors? Well, Apple is putting a floor under their stock, theoretically, and they're buying this stock back. They're reducing the number of shares outstanding. As a matter of fact, if you look at Apple historically, they have reduced their share count by about 37%. So now you're seeing all of the big tech, the 7 biggest tech stocks buying tens of billions of dollars up to hundreds of billions of dollars of their own shares. That will help Apple. Apple will get momentum on this, but they still have issues. They have their iPhone sales declined by 10%, and they have the issue with China, which is not resolved yet.
You think the stock buyback of $110 billion is big enough to get Apple to $200 a share? It's $182 now.
I absolutely think it's big enough to get them to $200 a share. Just by that momentum alone, they will move the stock up.
Okay. Jeff, thanks very much for being with us this morning. I'm sorry it's so short, but we've got a packed news day. You know how that goes. Yeah. Thank you, Jeff.